He's so cute. So I just get 3 chicken custom ones. Happy vlogmas. Secured the bag. Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 9. It's currently 7:30 in the morning and I'm so tired. But today is the first day that I will be going to school with my new short hair. And I'm so scared and so excited to see what people have to say. Obviously, in the end, it was my decision to cut my hair. And I really like the way it looks. So I don't care what people say. If their opinion is negative, like whatever. But I do want to see if people say like they like it or they don't. I'm just currently getting dressed. I'm putting on my shoes right now. But you know when you change something about yourself very drastically that no one thought you would ever change, a lot of people tend to notice. I've always had long blonde hair like my entire life and everyone knows that. I think if I show up to school with short blonde hair, people are gonna be like, what? Checkered Vans, but these are my custom ones because they're so cute. I'll give you a little sitting outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Post Malone sweatshirt, wearing some black leggings from Forever 21. I have like a whole test today and I'm scared about it because let's just say I need help. We're doing like a short answer writing assessment on this book, Hiroshima, in my honors lit class. Let's go. It always happens to me where I put my backpack on and my hair would get caught on my backpack straps, and look at where we are now. Oh wow, it's so dark. Hi, I'm in math. We have a sub. That's my math partner, Toller. He hates me. He doesn't like to be in the vlog. You have to talk to my camera. How's your day? Toller, people want content. This is not content. You have to talk to them.
No.
Tell them what we're doing.
Give it to Ava.
Okay, Ava's content.
Hello vlog. We are doing trigonometry. You guys, Katie's dub.
What? I have a better grade than you in this class.
This is true.
I have an M50, which is a DSLR.
Ooh, big fancy number letters.
Yes, number letters.
Where's the big thing?
What? Oh, the microphone? That's on the other camera. The microphone just helps enhance the audio on the DSLR because the picture quality is better. This is a point and shoot, so you don't need an external mic.
Whatever that said.
Sorry, and nobody understands my nerdy stuff. I told her, post for my thumbnail.
Why didn't you ask me to be in your thumbnail?
You can be my thumbnail. You're so mean. He said that I look like my science teacher with my new haircut. Can we figure out how to do this now?
Where's camera? Yeah.
Josh, can you teach me how to do this?
Or soluble, so it means which at 110 degrees Celsius.
Happy vlogmas. I'm in science class right now and we're doing some like marshmallow lab, but it's not our turn yet. But Lauren just got back from the bathroom. They're doing some marshmallow, that is so cute. They're doing some marshmallow lab and we have to do our packet.
Why?
Because we have to switch with them later.
Oh.
I want to show you the pretty notes that I took. These are my pretty notes. Okay, I'm on page 13 because it looks easy. So we are doing an experiment with marshmallows.
I almost just broke a glass.
We had to go up there to do like this balloon heating experiment and she touched the glass. Who's gonna tell her? Place one marshmallow, you may draw a face on it. We can draw a face on it. She put you may draw a face on it.
Oh, we're on number 1.
Yeah. Oh, it's cute. It looks kind of scary.
Let's name him after Pilot P.
Okay. Okay, there he is. He's so cute. We love him. Place one marshmallow into your syringe. Put your finger over the open end. The plunger while leaving your finger on the end. What happens to the marshmallow?
Oh. Push the plug. It's like not going.
It's hard. Am I just weak?
I think it's just supposed to say it's not going because of the pressure.
What happens to the marshmallow? Nothing. Literally nothing.
Yeah.
That was so hard, bro.
Nothing.
Now remove your finger from the end without letting go of the plunger. What happens to the marshmallow? Oh, now it gets crushed. We killed Pilot P.
No.
Look at him. As pressure increases, volume decreases. We did it.
Are you done with the marshmallow thing?
Yes. It took some muscles out of me. You want to say hi to my vlog? It's our
I
marshmallow.
thought you said you wanted to be in the vlog one day. I'm too busy.
She always tells me she wants to be in my vlog, and now she's too busy to be in my vlog. Didn't she say her daughter watches my videos?
Yeah.
Hi. It's official. I'm just a bad vlogger. It's now like 4:30, and I get out of school at 2:30, get home around like 2:45, 3, depending on the day and the traffic. And all I've been doing is watching YouTube videos because I'm exhausted. I think I should do a whole like after school or maybe nighttime routine video, but as soon as I get home from school, I eat a snack and then I watch YouTube videos for like 2 hours. It's my favorite thing to do. Oh, I just stabbed myself. It is most definitely my favorite. It is most definitely my... It is most definitely my favorite after school activity. Okay, I cannot wear these glasses on the top of my head, then I really look like a mom with this haircut. Everyone asking about these glasses. I know a lot of people are like, oh, you have prescription. I do have prescription glasses. I just don't ever wear them. I need to get the prescription changed to a higher like degree. Is that what it's called? I don't really know. But these are blue light glasses, and you probably have heard of them because all the YouTubers and like social media people have been hopping on it. I've had mine for like a month, but I got mine off Amazon and they're linked down below on the shop what I shop on Amazon link. Blue light glasses really help with computer screens, and since I literally stare at a computer for hours and hours on end every single day editing, they really help with headaches and eyesight. But that's not the point of why I started vlogging. The point of why I started vlogging is because I have a package that I need to ship out. I really need to ship out the giveaway prize winner, but I also need to ship out this package for Poshmark. I sell my clothes and makeup on Poshmark that I haven't used or that is lightly used, and somebody bought my Urban Decay Naked palette, so I wrapped it and everything. I just have to print the shipping label and ship it out. Hello! What's wrong? What's wrong? Hi, Mello. Hello. This is my adapter. Well, my mood just switched real fast. So if you guys don't know what this is an adapter because I have a MacBook Pro. To export my video clips and files into my computer and to be able to print things, I have to have this. This plugs into my computer, and then it has all these imports. So it has USB imports and SD card imports. To be able to do my job, I have to have this. I cannot get vlogmas up unless I don't have this. I dropped it on the floor. I don't even know if I got it on camera. I think I did. Like, I feel like I did. This is my adapter. So if I don't get a new one of these today, then I'm gonna fail Vlogmas. Literally, like I'm on Best Buy and they don't have them because that's from Amazon. But if I order it, will come in Wednesday, which is 2 days. It has to have both of these inputs, a USB SD card, because this is what I use to edit my videos, put the SD card, and this is what I use to print. Like, this would only happen to me. That's other website can I go on? Fry's, I think that's what it's called. If you don't know what Fry's is and you're into like video and photography and you don't know what Fry's is, it's like a place where you can get used equipment. I've never bought anything from it or like went to any store before, but I know a bunch of people in my film class have. So the reason that this, oh wait, there's one right here. I think I just found one. Log in, enter your zip code to view availability. Order now, pick up today, checkout. Okay, $25 is cheap because this one was like $35. Y'all, if I don't get Vlogmas up today, I will actually cry because this wasn't even my fault. Like, this stuff always happens to me, stuff that I can't control, and then I get so upset. Why did it have to fall on the floor and break? Now you're telling me I have to drive to another city where I live to go get this? Like, let's hope my mom will even take me. Like, I'm gonna stop freaking out and figure this out and see if it works. Secured the bag, thank the Lord. Never been here before, but Fry's came in clutch. I'm good, I got it. $26 broker, but like, at least Vlogmas will get up. You're welcome. This is how much I love you guys. Well, we are now home and my dad and brother brought home Zaxby's for dinner. So I just get 3 chicken nuggets, fries, and that's it. I went to Fry's Electronics and got my adapter. My parents are the best. So glad I was able to do that. Now we can print our thing and edit Vlogmas. That was the main thing I was worried about. I'm gonna eat right now and then I will catch up with y'all. I just went upstairs and did laundry, which is not interesting at all, and I'm so sorry, but that's my everyday life. And I just have found out some terrible, terrible news. I have a dentist appointment at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Remind you, normally I wake up at 7:20, and I have to be there at 7 a.m. So my dad says we have to leave the house at 6:30, meaning I have to wake up at either 5:45 or 6, which is crazy because normally I wake up at 7:15. I'm gonna be exhausted. I'm gonna look like a zombie. I have an orthodontist appointment. That is not fun. I've never been to the orthodontist since I moved here from Florida. I've obviously been to the dentist, but not the ortho. I have to fix my retainer because my bottom retainer has been broken for like 3 years, and the dentist told me my teeth are shifting, so I have to get a new one. Now I'm gonna hop in the shower and then finish exporting all of this footage, edit this Vlogmas, and get it up. And then once I get out of the shower, we can do the advent calendar or something. But I haven't washed my hair in 3 days. It's disgusting and I know it, but it doesn't even look greasy. I just want to take a shower though. So now we are going to do our advent calendar. Obviously, I got out the shower and I'm shaggy now. I'm gonna be honest, I cut my hair yesterday and I didn't wash it. So this is my first time washing my short hair. I think it looks so cute when it's washed and short. It's just kind of like, shaggy dog. So it's time to open day 9 of our advent calendar. Now the question is, where is it? It is all the way up here. It's gummies. Oh, it says Winterland blend on it. I feel like nobody cares to see me eat gummies every day, but it's kind of tradition now. And now I'm gonna eat all of them at the same time. Can you entertain them while I eat my gummies?
Hi vlog, it's me Cole again. I've been in almost every single day. Also RIP Juice WRLD.
While I was in the shower, I had my JBL, which is my speaker, connected to my phone, and I literally clicked shuffle on all of my music. So there's a button on Apple Music where you can just shuffle and it will play literally any song in your whole playlist could come up. And guess what the first song that played was? It was Lucid Dreams by Juice WRLD. And what are the odds that literally the day after he dies, his song plays? Like what? I just thought that was crazy. Guys, we have 16 days until Christmas. That is insane to me. Also this week I'm doing something really fun with my friends and we finally got it all planned out. We've been planning it for 3 weeks. But that's the end of Vlogmas. I think I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. I want you guys to leave one comment down below and let me know if you have seen every single Vlogmas. I'm really curious to know how many of you guys have watched every single one so far, all the way up to day 9. So if you have, let me know. Don't lie. I just want to know. It's okay if you haven't. I skip out some days too. I'm just curious, but I love you and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 10 when I have to wake up at 5:45 in the morning. Peace in the Middle East.